In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark your tiles up and drill and cut 2 holes to allow the hot and cold feed to come through and connect to your mixer shower. To mark the correct position before you cut in your tile, place it over the top and line the pipe up with it above, then place it to the side. Don't forget to put your spaces in between there and then mark the centre of the pipe on your tile. Once you've done this, lie it down flat using a set square, join your 2 lines up, and that's your centre point for the drill bit. I'm using a hole cutter to drill the hole through. Now it's cut, this can slide over the pipe. Double check it before applying your adhesive. If you're happy with it, then it can be fixed in place. Spread your tile adhesive to the wall, comb it through, place the tile over the pipe and press it into position, tapping all 4 corners gently. Do the same on the second tile. Place that into position, making sure that you've got tile spaces to put underneath and in between. And once it's dry, it can be grouted. Buff up your grout after about 15 minutes, 2 or 3 times. And once the grout is dry, then you can use some clear silicone sealant to seal around the pipe over the cut tile. So that's how you successfully cut, fix, grout and seal around your 15mm copper water pipes. If you're looking for more how-to videos, check us out on all social media handles and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.